the wing system, since moving from classic to classic UX, we don't particularly need the wing system when we're working with that product?
Yeah, where the wing was more important was where we were using the Scrad system on a rotary buffing machine as the final stage of the sanding process. So this was the preparation of the bare wood. And this was more important during this stage because we didn't have a machine like the Bona Flexi Sand, which was very versatile at preparing the surface. So most of the preparation for the floor, the sanding, would have been done with a belt sander and an edge sander. Of course, these mechanisms are really quite different and produces different timber texture. So we needed that 150 grit wing on the Scrad pad just to make it a little bit rougher, a bit more aggressive, so it could then smooth that distinction between the edge sanding and the main belt sanding.
Preparing the floor for it.
So yeah, we needed the Scrad pad to work harder back in those days, whereas these days we're doing our final stages of preparation using the diamond abrasives.
Yeah, which is great technology that we've gone so far to going into these diamond abrasives, and they are great bits of kit. I've used them myself and they last a while. We can reuse them job after job. In terms of square meterage, how long would one of those last?
On bare wood, they barely wear out because, you know, it's diamond after all on a timber like oak, you know, it's not particularly hard. Where they will become worn is on surfaces such as ceramic reinforced factory finishes, so really tough scratch resistant finishes. It will key those, of course, because it's diamond, but they do wear. So you'd expect on very hard reinforced sports floors, let's say, you'd get at least 100 square meters out of a set. At least, that's the absolute minimum. So you'd usually exceed that. But of course, it's important within these scenarios where we're keying an existing surface prior to overcoating that this is done really carefully. We don't want to leave any areas where the surface is unkeyed because then we would risk an adhesion problem. So that's where the diamonds became really important within our range for preparing existing surfaces for overcoating, because the diamonds will key any surface.